All right, my friends, I'm going to take a few minutes to show you how to make a transparent image using the free Pixlr image editor tool. That's just a web-based, so I don't know if it's called software as a service, but it's just web-based. It's free. There's a not free one too, and I'm sure it's worth it. I just don't do it. I use a Chromebook. Essentially, everything I get on my software is free, other than TubeBuddy. I do have that through YouTube. Seems like I have one other one I pay for, not much. Anyway, so this Pixlr is fantastic. Canva, that's what we're going to show you how to do this. So, all right, let's dive into this. Of course, always subscribe. So you got my picture here, and I want to make this guy where I can use that so I don't have the white background. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So if you go here, and you see this is my most recent video I did, and if I click on this image, see you got that white there? You don't want that. You want to look like this. Let's get rid of this for the time being. You want it to look like that. That's called transparent, PNG. And so this isn't good. I don't want that. I want it to be transparent so I can put it right there and all kinds of different things. All right. So what we got to do is we got to make this guy transparent as well. And what we got to do is get rid of that white background. And so we're going to zoom in, and you can tell I'm a professional. But, he figured out one by one, and you can run your own YouTube. So I'm just zooming in here. And now I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to this guy and click that magic wand tool. And then I'm going to go down here and unlock that. So you got to unlock that. So you got that little check there. Still got the magic wand. Then I click on it. All right. So all that stuff will be eliminated. But then I got to go in here and hit shift and click on that. And then go over here and hit shift and click on that. So everything's going to be eliminated. All this white background will be eliminated. Go up to edit and cut. All right, so you got all that right there. And that's what you want to see. See all that, I guess, tic-tac-toe thing, I guess. But I still see some place in here that still got some stuff. So what I want to do is I'm going to zoom in some more. And again, this isn't going to be perfect, but perfection is what you're looking for. I am not the guy to look for. So we're going to get this eraser, and it's a little bit too big. We're going to go to brush, make this a little bit smaller. 20, okay. Then we're going to go down here. We're just going to kind of chop that off. There we go. And there we go. Trust me, it's taking me a long time to figure this stuff out, friends. So if you aren't getting it right away, don't kill yourself. And I'm not even sure I'm figuring it out. I'm just doing the best I can. And I'm pretty comfortable with that. Remember, people aren't on your YouTube channel. They want to see the content. They don't, care if you got the most tech. If you're a tech design thing, you want to have the best tech design. Don't get me wrong. But if you're not doing tech design, you just want enough to look good without having to go broke while you're trying to figure stuff out. And I don't have the money to go broke, so I can't afford that because, I got 4 kids to raise. So I got to figure this out on my own design with the free tools that are out there. All right. So that looks pretty good. We'll see. At the end of the day, it's a trial and error. All right. Looks pretty good there. All right, I'm happy with that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up here to edit. And oops, I'm sorry. Did I already hit cut? I think I did, right? So I can't remember. Did I hit? Yeah, okay. Yeah, so we're going up to file. Then we're going to save this puppy. And I'm saving as Josh down. Then go to format. I don't want JPEG. I want transparent PNG. It's only 42 kilobytes, so it's not very a big file. All right, so we're going to save this to my hard drive. And blink. Or my Google Drive, I should say. We're going to try to at least. And there we go. We're going to hit Josh save. All right. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go over to my Canva. And I'm going to upload that image from Canva. And go to recent. All right. And then we're going to go to Josh down. Boink. And we're going to load that guy up here. And while we're waiting for that, let's get rid of him. And this is just all the free stuff on Canva too. And I got Josh down. And it's not very, that's weird. It's transparent. It's great, but it's not very crisp. I don't know why that is. Whereas this one right here, but still, that's how you do it, man. It's fantastic. So this one right here is pretty crisp. Yeah, that's crisp. I wonder why that one isn't. Maybe it was just a bad picture. I don't know. Anyway, I think what I did, I don't think I saved it with enough let's make this, I think we got to make it a image. We got to make it, I don't know if that's what we want, is it? We got to make it crisper. And off the top of my head, I can't remember how to do that. Edit, is it, no, I don't want that. Oops, image. Let's go back here. So bear with me just a second. I'm a big fan. Let's go zoom out. Zoom out. Actually, probably just go like that. There we go. All right, so we want to make it crisper, and we do that by edit, invert, select pixel. I don't think that was it. Image size. I can't remember. There's a way to do this. It's been a little bit since I've done this. Brightness, contrast. I can't remember. So I have to mess around with it. But that's how you do it to make it transparent, nonetheless. Man, what was it? Undo, redo, copy, free transform, distort, select on person. No, that's not it. It's image right here. Image size. Oh, maybe that's it. Yeah, maybe. I don't know if that was. Let's try that. See what that looks like. That's too big. Let's see. That's too big. You want to see my big old nose. Image size. Let's go down to, I don't know, say, make it like that. 640. See what that looks like. It's still pretty big. Yeah, I can't remember how to make it crisper. I have to look. I have to think about it. But either way, so that's how you make it transparent, my friends. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. And again, it's all free. Man, I wish I could remember how to make that so you could see it on this thing. But anyway, that's it. So I hope you like this. I mean, again, so what happened? While we're doing this, let's get rid of this guy, and we're just going to delete him. And what I'm going to show you is we're going to go and save that. So what you can do if you go to Canva, you go all the free. Oops, did I just get? So you go the free pictures. I don't know. Go to I'll say policeman, and you can get all these policemen here. And you go to photos, and you get all these photos for free. I mean, all these things. Some are free, some are not. And then what's going to happen? Those if you do a, oops, what is it doing that? That's not transparent, so you don't want that one. All right, because you want like that guy's transparent. See how you can see behind him and all that. So if you do, let's see here. Let's see this guy. That might be that's transparent right there. Would be one that's right there. So that's not going to be transparent. So you got to get rid of all that white stuff, and that's what I just did. You got rid of all that white stuff. So that's it. So that's Pixlr editor, image editor, and I'm a big fan. So actually, that would be a pretty good one right there to use to say stop. I might have to look at that one. I think that one cost $1. Yeah, some one costs $1. So if you download that, you can pay $1 for it. That's not too bad. That's actually a pretty good image right there. I might have to look into doing that. So as always, subscribe down below, and we'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.